I want to share real, useful information about web development with people. Not just theory, real, practical knowledge that actually helps. In today's world, almost no business can run without a website, and most websites are built with WordPress. But every website has problems, small problems, big problems, daily problems. And the solution to most of those problems is plugins. That's where Needs Plugin comes in. Needs Plugin is a platform where you can find the plugins you actually need for your business, for your website, and for your growth. Form security, performance optimization, automation, and many other useful plugins all in one trusted place. Many software companies create plugins, and our software company does the same. We first understand real user problems, then we build simple, clean, and effective plugins to solve them. So, my advice is simple: don't waste your time anymore. Start using your time wisely, focus on your skills, focus on your business, use the right tools, make the right decisions, and let technology work for you, not against you. I want you to grow. I want your work to become easier, and that's why Needs Plugin.